Okay, can you guys? So the other day, when we were talking about the unique voice, and as Concurate, it's our job to amplify the unique voice of our clients and make it reach to a good number of buyers or customers for them. So I thought that we should have the capability to identify कि ये जो popular brands हैं उनकी unique voice क्या है and how they are communicating this unique voice through various channels. So that's what we are going to do today for Starbucks. ठीक है? And there are many stories that I read, some popular, some not so popular. So up for stories, you guys?
Yes.
तो let's see where did it all start for Starbucks. अच्छा आप लोगों को इसकी
Sorry to interrupt, Aditi. Can we go to the previous slide?
हाँ we can.
So the dotted lines are actually template, right? I thought it was on the logo.
नहीं, the dotted lines are from the PowerPoint.
Yes.
It's from the design template, not the Starbucks logo thing. So वैसे do you know how it all started या फिर उनका logo ये क्यों है या फिर उनका नाम Starbucks क्यों है?
नहीं.
No idea.
तो चलिए अपन history में चलते हैं. So these three people ना, actually these guys are hipsters. So one of them is a college dropout और उनके ये दो roommates हैं. अब इन्होंने ना ये जो बंदा ड्रॉप आउट है ना, इसने इटली में जाके he tasted coffee and he became a fan. And then when he came back to US, so the first store that they opened was in Seattle, US, in 1971. So this guy who is a college dropout who went to Italy and saw that there is a coffee like thing और लोग बहुत उसको पसंद करते हैं, तो they came up with a business plan and started this place. Now these guys were actually selling the brewed coffee. They were actually not selling beverages. तो जैसे कॉफी पाउडर, कॉफी बीन्स या इस तरह की चीजें they were selling and they were supplying it to various restaurants also. But they were not yet into the beverages business. In the coming slides, we'll see how that beverages business started. But before that, let us find out why the name Starbucks. So in that time, there was a popular novel, और जो नॉवेल थी ना वो सेलर्स पर थी. और सेलर्स कौन से, जैसे उसमें ना एक पहले वेल हंटिंग होती थी. So these courageous sailors, they used to go and hunt for whales. तो क्या हुआ था, उसमें एक सेलर था जिसके एक वॉयज में one of the whales cut off his leg under the knee and he wanted to take the revenge. तो वो फिर से ना क्रू को इकट्ठा करता है, लेके जाता है and he says कि whosoever spots that Moby, इसको ना Moby बोलता है, and the name of the novel was Moby Dick. Moby माने कि वेल. तो उसने बोला कि जो भी ये करेगा उसको रुपए दूंगा ये वो. तो उनके क्रू में ना एक मेंबर था whose name was Starbuck. He said कि हम यहाँ कोई बदला लेने नहीं आए, we are here for business. So we should act accordingly. And from there, this name Starbucks came. लेकिन ये स्टोरी इतनी पॉपुलर नहीं है. आप जानते हैं क्यों? क्योंकि स्टारबक्स ना एक एथिकल ब्रांड के लिए स्टैंड करता है. तो they wouldn't want to associate themselves with the story of whale hunting, like where they are torturing the animals or so.
It's
Okay.
I thought
और
it
एक
was
और,
something
हाँ?
related like bugs as in money or something like that.
So this Starbucks na, he was a very practical person and he was a bit money oriented also. So again, अब इस नाम को तो नहीं वो change कर पाए, but again this is coming from that practical mindset of the person.
Okay.
फिर ठीक है, नाम तो मिल गया. अच्छा, लोगो भी ना. So in the logo, if you see here, this is a twin tail mermaid. So this logo is also inspired from the sea sailors who used to trade coffee and stuff. Now, what they are saying is the coffee is as seductive as this mermaid. लेकिन it is very obnoxious to have such a logo representing a brand. So ultimately they changed it, and you know how the new Starbucks logo looks like. But there is a person who changed it all. Do you guys know his name? Who changed the face of Starbucks?
नहीं.
Not
तो एक बंदा है, उसका नाम है हार्वर्ड शर्ट्स. This guy.
Okay.
And he is the greatest storyteller at Starbucks. तो क्या हुआ था, ये जो तीनों हिपस्टर्स पीछे वाली स्लाइड में दिखाए ना, Howard Schultz went to them. Okay, before that, Howard Schultz also went to Italy, and in Italy there is a culture of, you know, people coming together to meet over coffee. Means laid back attitude hota hai Italy or Europe side mein, and people would just meet, catch up, talk long hours, they will sit and sip coffee. From there he got the idea of having a place like Starbucks, which doesn't just sell coffee but connect the neighborhood, provides a place where people can sit and talk and things like that. He brought this idea to those three hipsters, but they didn't believe in him. और इसने क्या किया, he went ahead and opened his own chain of the beverages business where he was serving the beverages. And in 2-3 years, those three guys realized कि वो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं business. They were not able to make enough money. So this guy, Howard Schultz, what he did, from the backing of the local investors, he bought Starbucks. And he opened his chain of business, and the way he grew Starbucks is really, really amazing. What is also interesting about this man is, so ये जब बड़े हुए ना, his father was an uneducated person. He was from he had a blue collar job. मतलब उस टाइम पे कुछ ऐसा होता था कि ना वहाँ पे बहुत बर्फ गिरती थी, स्नो में से कुछ निकालना होता था, इस तरह की किसी जॉब में his father was there. And one day his father met an accident. उनका एक्सीडेंट हुआ, एक्सीडेंट के बाद में ना उनका एक पैर काम करना बंद कर दिया. But the company, now this company, they did not provide anything to this family or father. मतलब जैसे होता है ना कि अगर आप किसी कंपनी में काम कर रहे हो, unfortunately अगर आपके साथ कुछ होता है तो they provide some compensation to your family. Maybe government even offers a job to the spouse and things like that. So until then, that type of concept did not was not there at all. So, and this person, you know, he used to stay ऐसा होता ना अपने यहाँ, so there the communities are divided, sort of affluent people live in a place and middle class lives on the other side, and maybe lower middle class further in a different place. And so he also was in a place like that, and he always wanted, he knew that there is a life on the other side of that boundary, and he wanted to go there, explore, and, you know, live there and see what is it like. So he was a very, very driven person and very empathetic, and it's beautiful how he has, you know, carved the path of success for Starbucks. मतलब अभी थोड़ा हम यहाँ पर बिजनेस स्ट्रैटेजी की बात करें, लेकिन आगे हम मार्केटिंग पे भी जाएंगे. बट इट्स द जब हमने बोला ना कि यूनिक वॉइस, the unique voice is derived from the persona of founders. So that is what I'm trying to reflect on here, is the unique voice of Starbucks comes from this person. He's the person who changed the whole thing that Starbucks was. There would be more stories coming up. Let's see.
What I actually find fascinating about such companies, the founders actually know what is going to happen after 30 years. So they spend 20 years just to see that it's happening.
The long-term vision.
They can only tell how it feels just to see if it actually happens. But it's amazing that they visualize the thing that is going to happen after 20 years.
सही है, चाहिए ना हमें भी वो विजन. Hopefully someday. अच्छा, अब यूनिक वॉइस की बात करें. स्टारबक्स की यूनिक वॉइस क्या है? So their unique voice is performance driven through the lens of humanity. अभी हो सकता है कि ये वर्ड बहुत भारी भरकम लग रहे, लेकिन ultimately they want to be best in anything they do. लेकिन best ऐसा नहीं है कि the characterization of best is only through how it relates to the people, and by people not just customers but their own people. ये लोग अपने employees को भी, they don't call them employees. You know what they are called? They are called partners.
Employees, nice.
हाँ, employees को भी partners बोलते हैं. और जैसे मैंने बताया ना, because Howard Schultz, he was, taken aback when his father had lost his job and the family did not have the financial support. In Starbucks, in 1988 itself, they had the health plans for all their full-time and part-time workers, or the partners so-called. And in 1990 somewhere, they had the employee stock option, जो होता है ना, कि you buy shares in the company and things like that. That was also, they were like the leaders to give it to the people in the company. And all that came from the various experiences and the vision of Howard Schultz. I would recommend, if you ever get some time, do watch him speak on YouTube.
I guess there should be a book also. There might be a book also.
There are many books for Starbucks. There are many books. और हो सकता है कि वो इन पे भी हो. So this brings me to another story. एक बंदा है. So Jim, I'm not able to recollect the name of the company where he was working. It was some advertising firm. उसने ना एक book लिखी है, How Starbucks helped me get my life back. और इतनी टचिंग स्टोरी है ना कि वो बंदा he was in that domain, और वहां पर उसको जॉब मिली थी किसी फ्रेंड के रिकमेंडेशन से. He worked there for almost 25 years, and at the age of around 50-60 he was fired because he could not keep up in that particular job. और जब वो fired थे ना, then one day he was sitting at barista, not Starbucks. One day he was sitting and one of the barista came. Yeah. And maybe, they communicate with you, and then he told his story. So जो barista थी ना Starbucks पे, उस lady ने suggest किया कि we are having a job fair. Why don't you give it a try? Or he actually turned into a barista after that job fair. Or so he moved from one side of the table to the other side of the table, one side where he was drinking those coffees, those expensive coffees, and now he was making them. And gradually he managed to, do good for himself, and he was really happy with what he had done. Or is Doran, his daughter, asked him to, write everything in the journal. Because when you are, suffering from something that is mentally strainful for you, journaling helps. So he used to write everything, all his experience in that journal, and ultimately, after a year or so, वो journal एक book की तरह आ गया. Or actually, a very big firm published that book. So this guy, his family of, advertisers or people in that profession, he had connections, but a big firm accepting a story to publish, उनका भी पैसा लगाया stake पे. तो वो ऐसे ही नहीं, they wouldn't publish. So that was another very touching thing about Starbucks that I found out. Then I want you all to watch this video. आप लोगों को screen कितनी clear दिख रही? So after this, what I did,
it's clear.
One thing is having a unique voice. Now able to reflect that unique voice on various channels where you reach people is also important. So for us as a marketing agency, it's important to learn how that thing is communicated to the people. So what I did, I went to their various channels, YouTube, Instagram, their blog, and various other things to find out how they are able to communicate this unique voice out. So I was looking at their YouTube videos, and this is their channel video, which I want you to take a look at. See if it is clear to you or not.
Did you know Starbucks
It is,
is 50
yes.
years old?
Are you able to hear what is?
Yes.
Are you able to hear
Yes.
the sound?
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay.
Yes.
Did you know Starbucks is 50 years old? Yep, the world has seen a lot in that time, including major changes to the environment. As we've grown, helping to protect the planet has become an ongoing part of Starbucks culture. You've already seen it firsthand. We believe in testing new ideas every day, like a pilot program in a handful of stores where you can borrow reusable cups. Customers order, sip, and return. Cups are professionally sanitized and ready to be used again. From their feedback, we're able to refine this test program. This is just one idea inspired by our goals to cut landfill waste, water consumption, and carbon emissions in half by 2030. Another way we're caring for the planet and people is by helping farmers adapt. Changes to the environment can make growing healthy crops difficult. So we've donated 50 million coffee trees to farms, with 50 million more on the way by 2025. These trees are bred to produce more coffee cherries and resist diseases like coffee leaf rust, which means farms can grow coffee for years to come. Supporting farmers means giving them tools and expertise to improve their small businesses. We do this through our open source system of farmer support centers around the world. Everything from farming best practices to new varieties of climate resilient Arabica coffee. Best of all, it's free to all farmers, whether they sell coffee to Starbucks or not. We've also set high standards for purchasing coffee. This means a continuous supply of high quality coffee for you, while making sure that farmers meet economic, social, and environmental guidelines. High standards improve the lives of farmers while helping to care for the planet. We're not a small coffee bean seller in Seattle anymore, but no matter our size, we know we must continue to care for our planet and people, farmers, partners, and you for years to come.
So, what is the message that this video communicated to you?
It just reminds me of their vision, like through the lens of humanity. That phrase came in the mind. Like
यूनिक वॉइस एम्पलीफाई कर रहे हैं बेसिकली ये लोग अपनी, जो
Correct.
इन्होंने यूनिक वॉइस बताई हुई है वहाँ पे.
और
they were not loud about what they're doing. They were just telling what they're doing. And they're not very loud using sustainable growth. ये words उतने नहीं थे.
हाँ,
But this is how this will help farmers. The plants को कैसे help होगा and farmers कैसे help होगा. Just that.
और इमोशन कैसे उन्होंने कम्युनिकेट किया वो देख पाए. मतलब अगेन इट्स अबाउट पीपल और कम्युनिकेशन. मतलब जो इमोशन उन्होंने कम्युनिकेट किया ना, मतलब यू कुड फील, आई थिंक आप लोगों को भी फील हुआ होगा कि दे एक्चुअली केयर. मैंने ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ कह रहे हैं, कर नहीं रहे हैं. और जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि वो सिर्फ जो फार्मर स्टारबक्स को सप्लाई करते हैं सिर्फ उनके लिए नहीं, लेकिन कोई भी जो फार्मर्स हैं उनको हेल्प करते हैं अबाउट. और इट्स अ टू वे थिंग. जब वो फार्मर्स को बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस सिखा रहे हैं, वो प्लैनेट का भी ध्यान रख रहे हैं. हम आगे देखेंगे कि people and planet are two very important things to them, and how do they care about it in the coming sections. Then on YouTube I was looking for what other kinds of videos they are sharing. So one more special thing that I found about the brand is being relevant to the people. जैसे ट्रेंड होता है ना, मतलब हमारे मम्मी लोगों के टाइम में आई डोंट थिंक देयर वर थिंग्स लाइक प्रोटीन शेक्स और स्मूदीज. तो लेकिन जो हमारी जनरेशन या फिर हमसे आगे वाली जनरेशन, मे बी तुम लोगों वाली जनरेशन, सो यू गाइज हैव अ डिफरेंट वे ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स, द मिलेनियल्स. सो उन्होंने उस चीज को भी ध्यान में रखते हुए प्लस अपने बरिस्ता को साथ में लाके एम्प्लॉय एडवोकेसी टाइप की चीजें भी करी है. और यहाँ पर वो क्या कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पर वो कैसे आपसे कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं ना. जैसे मैं अगर रेसिपी ढूंढ रही हूँ किसी कॉफी स्मूदी की और स्टारबक्स का वहां पर आ रहा है, तो आई वुड बी डेफिनेटली इंटरेस्टेड, क्योंकि हमारे दिमाग में होता है ना कि वो ब्रांड या बाहर की चीज इतनी टेस्टी वो कैसे बना पाते हैं, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. सो दिस इज अ वीडियो ऑफ दैट काइंड, एंड इट इज लाइक अ हेल्थियर ऑप्शन फॉर अ बेवरेज. एक बार देखिए छोटा सा ही वीडियो, लाइक अ फ्यू सेकेंड्स.
Hey guys, my name is Danny. I'm an operations lead at Starbucks Reserve Sogo at Starbucks headquarters. Today we're in my kitchen. I'm going to show you guys how to make a coffee smoothie using Starbucks iced coffee that you find at your local grocery store and ingredients in your very own home. Now this recipe is super chill. All you need is a half a cup of Starbucks iced coffee, a half a cup of oat milk, a tablespoon of your choice of nut butter, a fourth cup of rolled oats, and 1 frozen banana. Throw it all in the blender, turn it on, and it's good to go. Blow it up nice and smooth. So ready with your favorite Starbucks cup. Cheers.
So इस तरह से they are giving a valuable content to the people. मतलब आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अ रेसिपी, मेरा पेन पॉइंट है, उन्होंने मुझे रेसिपी दे दी. मार्केटिंग कंटेंट पर्सपेक्टिव से, साथ में इसमें ब्रांडिंग एस्पेक्ट भी है। दूसरा, आप लोगों को पता है कि ये इनके स्टोर्स में, हैव यू गाइस बीन टू स्टारबक्स?
Not, but
Yes.
इनके स्टोर्स में ये मर्चेंडाइज भी बेचते हैं, अगर आपने देखा हो नितेश, जैसे इनके कप्स, इनकी डायरीज और कुछ स्पेशल एडिशन मग्स टाइप भी रहते हैं, जैसे अगर हेलोवीन वाला वो पंपकिन वाला फेस्टिवल आ रहा है तो उससे रिलेटेड चीजें, ऐसी चीज ऑब्जर्व करिए।
Merchandise.
हाँ, मतलब
हाँ,
जैसे
कप्स वगैरह तो देखे हैं, या like
So why do you think people buy those accessories?
Starbucks
मतलब usually
कप्स वगैरह तो देखे थे मैंने।
क्यों खरीदते होंगे लोग?
Because they relate with that brand.
Right, they relate with that brand. One reason. Second reason is it's a little materialistic reason to show off also.
हाँ, show off तो of course.
That is
But
also
like
one of the
वो
reasons.
show off भी इसलिए करते हैं because they relate to that brand. अब मैं मतलब टपरी वाले का मतलब कॉफी का मग लेके show off नहीं करूंगा। I mean I don't, टपरी वाला मतलब कोई अगर मेरे घर के साथ में कोई चाय बनाता है वो बेचता है।
Actually, नितेश आपकी ना
I
वॉइस
guess
ऑफ
my
हो रही है,
voice
मुझे
is
यार
not clear. यार कुछ इंटरनेट का पंगा तो आ रहा है। I know.
But I almost understood.
नहीं, I understand यार, मेरे उसका कुछ इशू आ रहा है।
No problem, Nitesh. No problem.
But got the point,
Meanwhile,
Aditi.
Starbucks is
think से Zoom कंफ्यूज हो रहा है कि दोनों तरफ अदिति है, आवाज किसकी पहले?
Have you seen the name here? My name?
It's real.
Aditi Syal real and Aditi Syal your storyteller. So yeah, then earlier in the presentation, I told you that two main focal points for them are people and the planet. So if you go to their blog now, वो उन्हीं के अराउंड बात करते हैं। जैसे अगर हम, so there are two sections on their website for blog. It doesn't say blog. One says people, one says planet. Now this people section of blogs reflects on how they care about the people. अब जैसे अगर आप यहाँ पर टाइटल्स देखो, so one is about the Black History Month, then the women history, या फिर
यार अदिति, एक क्वेश्चन है मेरा,
हाँ बोलिए।
लोग स्टारबक्स के ब्लॉग भी पढ़ते होंगे?
मेरे दिमाग में भी ये क्वेश्चन आया था कि लोग पढ़ते हैं या नहीं,
I think
बट उनकी फॉलोइंग बहुत है यार। मतलब आप
अच्छा।
टू फाइंड दिस आउट मे बी यू कैन गो टू सेमरश
हाँ
एंड चेक।
हाँ, मतलब अभी जैसे आप बता रहे थे ना, तो इट लाइक जस्ट पॉप्ड अप इन माय माइंड
मेरे दिमाग में भी
कि यार
है।
मैं तो स्टारबक्स जाऊंगा तो मैं गूगल पे ये सर्च करूंगा स्टारबक्स नियर मी, एंड आई विल नॉट सर्च फॉर लाइक अ ब्लॉग व्हिच I plus
Possible.
second point Aditi, I feel company like Starbucks, they don't need a blog for marketing purpose. I mean they need वो इतना बड़ा ब्रांड है कि अब वो अपने आप को मतलब वो they just want to focus on their unique point and they want to tell more about themselves.
But they
I
haven't
mean
stopped publishing. मतलब if you see 2021, और ये भी मैंने नीचे से स्नैपशॉट लिया, एक्चुअली ऊपर भी थे, बट
हाँ नहीं पब्लिश तो करते ही रहते हैं वो, जैसे अभी देख रहे हो ना कि आप न्यू स्टारबक्स बोर्ड चेयर दिस लिव्स लीड विद अर्जेंसी स्टारबक्स ऑफर, तो ये अपना ब्रांड वैल्यू दे रहे हैं। मतलब मुझे जो देख के लग रहा है which is amazing.
possible.
My
I had
take
to
is that it's a more of an internal thing for them.
हाँ
मतलब it's not for branding or everything, but if I am employee and the way people are associating to
बिल्कुल,
Starbucks, I as an employee will also associate that this is my
क्योंकि
company.
इनका
I'll feel proud
विजय
about it.
एकदम राइट है। मतलब मुझे लगता है विजय एकदम राइट है, क्योंकि they have to make sure that their employees remain motivated because they are brick and mortar business.
correct.
They are into that. मतलब उनके अगर employees motivated नहीं होंगे तो इनके customers का फीडबैक अच्छा नहीं होगा, सर्विस अच्छी नहीं होगी, बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं होंगी। तो दिस इज हाउ यू मोटिवेट योर एम्प्लॉइज कि what we guys are doing, what your company is doing.
True.
Something on
Yes.
those
That
lines.
definitely is one objective that this is serving.
It's a way of showing कि जो vision है वो common रहे. That is
हाँ, so in
मतलब
one of
ये
the interviews, Howard Schultz said that today people don't buy things just because they need that particular thing. There are many vendors selling the same thing, but they try to buy from the brand where there is a value match. मतलब अगर मेरी वैल्यू स्टारबक की वैल्यू से मैच करती है तो the chances are more that I would buy from them. So that is what he said in one of his interviews. And Starbucks tries to reflect the values various social media उनका बहुत ही strong है. Blog maybe we need to further dig why it exists and how it serves. But otherwise social media they're doing like really strongly, and we have a lot to learn from there.
Very right.
So this is one section was people. Here this another section is planet. और planet में वही उनके जो campaigns हैं जहाँ पर वो जैसे farmers की help कर रहे हैं या फिर उसको ये जो reusable cups वाला है. So we all know that plastic waste is a problem. तो उन्होंने क्या किया है, reusable ऐसे disposable machines हैं, वहाँ पर you borrow a cup, you drink and you put it back and it gets reused sort of. It's not कि एक बार use किया और throw कर दिया. So इस तरह की जो वो campaigns लाते हैं, maybe they publish this here and then other people cover these stories. And that's also one of the reasons I see that they are publishing it here. Now let's go to their Instagram channel. I'll give you some time to go through this post. So I picked up a few posts. I couldn't pick everything, but I just picked up a few examples from each of their channels, wherein we can discuss the message they are trying to communicate and how they are doing it. Let me know once you both read it.
मुझे खैर कुछ बातें तो समझ ही नहीं आ रही है, वो बात अलग है.
जैसे क्या नहीं समझ में आया?
So turn car nap time into drive through time.
Actually क्या होता है कि जैसे बच्चे होते हैं ना,
बच्चे and mother का.
हाँ. So let's say my baby is sleeping next to me in the car seat. Maybe I will just drive through and pick up my coffee.
Okay, they are relating it with them.
हाँ.
And not just saying anything.
बनाने के लिए they have put the things like that. जैसे अब अगर Champ likes the hot chocolate to drink. जैसे ऐसे बहुत सारे parents होते होंगे जिनके बच्चों को hot chocolate पसंद है और उनको भी. तो यहाँ पर
I know where this is coming from though.
हाँ. So those are the kind of things. So ये उन्होंने कैसे relatable बनाया is a good thing.
मतलब ये total Starbucks and mom बता रहा है.
हाँ, और
ये मतलब Starbucks को कहीं अलग नहीं कर रहा basically.
Correct. Then the next ये वो borrow and return which I just told.
Yeah.
This is reflecting.
This was there in that video also.
हाँ, correct.
How they are like trying to save the plastic and all.
हाँ. So this is reflecting on their care for the planet. Then I really liked how creatively they have shown this. 1 year later, we are still showing up for each other. Or just say you got this. So the way they have created this, I really liked. माने जो चल रहा है और उसमें people या human how should they react and how they are reacting, उस पर उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से इस तरह के creatives बनाए हुए हैं. So I just picked one to show you guys. अच्छा, उन्होंने एक और बहुत अच्छी चीज करी. So this reminds me of another story that Howard Schultz was telling. जब उन्होंने साउथ अफ्रीका जोहान्सबर्ग में आउटलेट खोली थी for the first time, and when Mr. Howard went there, so the 50 people who were going to graze the green aprons. By this I mean जो baristas होते हैं वो green aprons पहनते हैं.
हाँ.
So before the store opened, Mr. Howard addressed those 50 young people. और उस address में जैसे उन्होंने बात करी, उनकी stories पूछी, वहाँ पर उन्हें पता चला, this is like their first job, unemployment is a big problem there, poverty और इस तरह की बहुत सारी परेशानियां हैं. एंड देन ये जो लोग थे ना, ये 50 लोग, they were feeling like really good about having the job and they were filled with pride and stuff. तो ये मैंने ना उनकी एक स्टोरी में सुना और उसमें उन्होंने बोला कि there was one common word that each of them was using. It's called Ubuntu. Have you heard of this name?
Yes.
बताइए, आपको इसका मतलब पता है?
यार उबुंटू मतलब मैंने तो सॉफ्टवेयर की सेंस में सुना है. लाइक
हाँ,
उबुंटू इज लाइक
it's
वो
one of the Linux versions.
ओपन सोर्स लिनक्स वर्जन.
हाँ.
यस.
हाँ. बट उसका मीनिंग पता क्या है? उसका मीनिंग है I am because of you.
Oh.
So they were expressing their gratitude towards that opportunity that Starbucks provided. So
Now that
Starbucks की हाँ.
मतलब that told the meaning, so दिमाग में से formation हो गया है. Ubuntu. It's like मुझे लगता है सारे words कहीं ना कहीं they are connected. मुझे लगता है हिंदी word है क्या ये?
हाँ, तो मे भी हो सकता है कि लिपि में कुछ कॉमन रहा हो from where the
हाँ.
languages are derived. So हाँ, so एक और इनकी खास बात है जो from various stories I gathered, they really care for people. और उनके उसमें ना the culture of equality, diversity and inclusion is very very strong. Money, irrespective of your color, irrespective of your age, sexual orientation, physical और mental disablement, मतलब उनके उसमें ऐसा भी है कि they have a few stores जहाँ पर only the people who have the hearing impairment वही लोग काम करते हैं वहां पर. और वहां पे ना पूरी साइन लैंग्वेज चलती है to communicate. It's at that level they try to include people और they care for people. अब जैसे ये जो हम
Amazing.
यहाँ पर Instagram वाली पोस्ट देख रहे हैं ना, इसमें this is the lady who graduated on the sponsorship by Starbucks. So sometime back Starbucks
And who's a partner? Who's an employee?
Yeah. So if you read here, Angelica is one of the 700 partners across US who graduated from ASU this week with 100% tuition fee coverage through the Starbucks College Achievement Plan. So this providing education and helping people stand on their own is another gesture that shows that they care for people. And it's there on their Instagram or their channels, and they're able to communicate it to the people out there.
Right.
Now there's one more story about the Starbucks person. इनकी story ऐसी है, जो lady यहाँ पर है ना, her mother, she used to host. Do you guys know about the Thanksgiving festival, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So her mother, she used to hold a Thanksgiving ceremony where she used to feed the people in the neighborhood and the needy people in the neighborhood. क्योंकि वहां पर जैसे खाने की परेशानी थी और वो she used to create a wonderful treat for them, and this lady she carried out the tradition. और वो पहले जो एक छोटा सा कम्युनिटी वाला होता था ना, वो बहुत बड़ा एक 100 ऑफ फैमिलीज को फीड करने वाला इवेंट हो गया. So this is where Starbucks is sharing the story of one of their partners. Again, what is common here is the care for people. इसकी story में भी और Starbucks की value में भी.
Wow.
So yeah, like this they share stories of their baristas or people like that. Then ठीक है, वो ना ये सारी चीजें तो बता रहे हैं, but they are also telling about their products or the new things they launch. एक और खास बात है यहाँ पर कि जो उनके baristas होते हैं ना, they are being given freedom to innovate and create new drinks, and they keep experimenting with drinks. मतलब their menus are like it keeps changing, हमेशा कुछ नया आते रहता है, and they advertise those on their social media channels और उसको बताते हैं और ना mostly limited edition करते हैं. तो that limited edition is the FOMO, पता है ना आप लोगों को, the fear of missing out. So that helps them get enough traction for the new drinks that they create. That is one of the strategies that I came across. अब इसमें जो पोस्ट थी ना, इसमें वो बता रहे थे उन्होंने ना, so they had come up with a mint flavored sugar syrup. तो क्या होता था कि अब वो इसमें बता रहे हैं कि these are the 4 ways you can customize your drink. मतलब if you like the flavor of mint, अब not everybody likes the flavor of mint, लेकिन अगर आप अपनी ड्रिंक में वो चाहते हो तो आप इस ड्रिंक के साथ ऐसे मिक्स कर लो या इस ड्रिंक पे से ये हटा के ये ऐड कर लो. तो इस तरह की बातें भी हैं. प्रोडक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन इज आल्सो देयर.
Like it's a kindergarten of coffee for adults. ऐसा.
It is a
Kindergarten of coffee for adults.
can say. Or this light green, dark green, मतलब the color elements are there throughout. लेकिन थीम सेम रखने के बाद भी उनका हर विजुअल अलग दिखता है दूसरे से. ऐसा नहीं लगता है
Very
कि
right.
रिपीटेड हुआ है. So they are very creative with the visuals that they create. Now, next I moved on to the TikTok. Now here is an example of influencer marketing. I want you all to watch this video.
Hey babe, act like me when I get a Starbucks.
Okay. Make sure it's a boomerang. Did you get it? Make sure you see the Starbucks. You gotta mix it. You have to mix it. You need to mix it more. Can you see my face?
Yes.
If you come closer, like this, get the angle right. Did that come out good? Make it look like I'm having
थोड़ा एक्सप्रेट हो गया.
Oh, nice.
So यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? So there is a popular hashtag on TikTok. It's called couple comedy. ठीक है, कुछ 1.5 billion टाइप का ट्रैक्शन था इसका. And this couple is an influencer there with a very good following of 550,000 people. तो जैसे आजकल जैसे विजय ने in one of the last previous calls he said कि micro influencer marketing हो रही है, wherein brands are reaching out to people with small followership and trying to engage through the brand. और so this is one of the examples. अब आप दोनों बताइए कि इस वीडियो में स्टारबक्स के बारे में क्या मैसेज आया हमारे पास. कपल कॉमेडी भी ठीक है, इन्फ्लुएंसर आउटरीच भी ठीक है, लेकिन और क्या पता चला हमें यहाँ से?
I think a sense of happiness is felt with the brand the moment you see such videos. जैसे नाइकी का होता है, अगर नाइकी का कोई अगर यूजर जनरेटेड कंटेंट भी है, so it's about motivation. It's not about how good you feel while walking. It's about
Starbucks relativity with the people. Relatability.
हाँ, तो relating with a cool brand. When I am associating myself with Starbucks,
Yes.
I appear cool.
Cool.
So
Very right.
I try to reflect here.
Hey babe.
Now, not just that. Now here also they brought that people aspect. So the TikTok in the middle. First of all, you guys watch this. Have you read this? I hope you are ready for me after 16
Yes.
months fighting cancer. ठीक है. So the lady fought cancer for 16 months and look at the joy of
almost
coming back.
रोना आ गया ऐसे.
Correct. So that's the thing. In few seconds, emotion इतना strongly convey किया कि आपके आंखों में आंसू आ जाए. So this is really amazing. उनकी barista stories are like on all their channels, differently presented and beautifully done. Then another thing that they did was staying relevant with the festival. So Christmas का color होता है red. Now here in this, they are reflecting on the festive vibe. Let's check this.
Oh wow. That relatability factor is coming up actually.
Correct. और
in all the ads.
Localization वाली चीज है ना, अपन आगे और देखेंगे. So चाइना में उन्होंने कैसे किया उसका एक बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल है. We'll go ahead and watch that. Now here they are promoting a particular flavor, the pistachio flavor they are promoting. देखिए सर. So this is like announcing the new product. सिर्फ ऐसे नहीं बोलते रहे कि यार पिस्ताचियो कॉफी आ गई, तुम लोग टेस्ट कर लो. बट जैसे सब कुछ उसमें ग्रीन रखा है, फिर
ये
से
मैं वही नोटिस कर रहा था.
हाँ हाँ. So it is standing out from what you
आई
are.
थिंक अब मैं ज्यादा नोटिस कर रहा हूँ, बट जो क्लॉक है उसमें दैट हैप्पी साइन बना हुआ है.
क्योंकि स्माइल जैसा बताने के लिए.
दैट इज जो नई क्लॉक
स्माइल टाइप आ रही है ना, स्माइल देखिए वो कॉफी
वो जो
लाइक
नई क्लॉक
क्लॉक
आती
में.
है उसमें यही टाइम होता है, बिकॉज इट्स अ सिंबल ऑफ हैप्पीनेस.
हाँ राइट, जो 10 बज रहे होते हैं, 10:10.
हाँ
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
कलर
गुड ऑब्जर्वेशन.
इट्स अ ग्रीन पूरा. वीएफएक्स करने वाले थे, लग रहा है.
अच्छा, I also went to check if they exist on Reddit. They do. बहुत बड़ी कम्युनिटी है उनकी, 174 के मेंबर्स. और यहाँ पर ना, so this community, मतलब customers, I don't know what part are customers, but they are mostly, you know, barista, supervisors, partners, और जैसे वो वहाँ पर they discuss various things. I could not get any, you know, concrete conclusion of this particular marketing channel. But these are a few snapshots I picked from there. And then another thing, there was this invitation to join Discord. Do you guys know what is Discord?
Yes, Discord
Have
servers.
you explored it?
हाँ, I mean there are a lot of YouTubers who have their own Discord servers where you can go and comment on their content and all.
So why would you not do it on YouTube? Why would you do it on Discord?
YouTube पे उनका कंट्रोल नहीं है, Discord पे उनका फुल कंट्रोल रहता है कि आप क्या कैसे कमेंट डाल रहे हो, कौन कौन, like you have what kind of community you have, how many good followers you have. I mean, if you, for example, so there is a YouTube channel run by Akash Banerjee.
Mm-hmm.
That guy basically posts regular videos with respect to what is happening regular in the country.
Mm-hmm.
So those guys have their own. He has his own Discord channel. News Laundry. I don't know if you guys have heard or not. It's a small news website. They have their own Discord channel. They work on paid memberships. Yeah.
So I have not explored enough. Maybe I'll explore.
I mean, on Discord, they basically have full rights about, like on YouTube, you just can't do anything about, or you don't know much about the person who is commenting and whoever basically is interacting with your content. But when you have your own Discord server, you get to know a lot of other things.
Oh, हमें भी थोड़ा explore करना होगा as a marketing channel. So do you also know that when you go to Starbucks, जब वो आपका order लेते हैं, आपकी glass पे आपका नाम लिख देते हैं. ठीक है?
ये मैंने देखा है, मतलब
हाँ, तो this is the first level of connect that they make with you. अगर आपको कोई आपके नाम से बुला रहा है, मतलब there is a connect sort of. So this is the first step that they connect. और इसके अराउंड ना, जैसे वो काफी बार सही से नहीं स्पेल कर पाते. मैंने तो बहुत ज्यादा स्टारबक्स गई नहीं हूँ, बट जैसे मोस्टली टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशंस में गई हूँ. अब इंडियन तो नाम एक दूसरे अपन आसानी से समझ सकते हैं, बट समटाइम्स व्हेन इट्स अ पर्सन फ्रॉम, यू नो, सम अदर कंट्री और कल्चर, इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू गेट द नेम.
राइट.
तो इसके अराउंड भी बहुत सारी स्टोरीज है इंस्टाग्राम पे, जहाँ पे कई बार ना पीपल दे मे गेट ऑफेंडेड फॉर रॉन्ग स्पेलिंग, बट it doesn't happen here. People are rather, you know, they take it in fun and they share stories about यार कि मेरा नाम इस तरह से हो गया and things like that. So that is also cool about them.
Spelling bee champ.
Now हाँ वो स्टोरी ये थी, क्या हुआ था कि इसने अपनी कलीग को बोला कि तुमने ओडिसी ब्रांड का नाम गलत स्पेल कर दिया. तो उस बंदी ने क्या किया, एक लेबल पे लिख के स्पेलिंग बी चैम्प लिख के इसके ऊपर चिपका दिया. So it's like an internal story that
This
they
name,
brought out.
जो name वाला आप बता रहे, that reminds me of Pepsi, I think.
Mm-hmm.
So what they did, they picked up 200 most common names of USA.
Yeah.
और उन्हें वैसे करके निकाला.
नहीं, उन नामों के साथ क्या किया, कॉमन नाम निकाले, फिर क्या किया?
जो उनके बॉटल्स थे उसपे प्रिंटेड है वो नेम्स.
Oh,
And
interesting.
that was a changing moment for them in terms of brand.
Nice.
Very interesting. अच्छा, फिर मैं अपने नाम का लूंगी कि कॉमन में अवेलेबल है, तो अदिति लिखा हुआ है, मे बी आई वुड पिक माइन.
Yes, और ये हो गया था कि खत्म ना हो जाए.
You want to keep it like forever. Maybe तब तक कि customized printing इतनी popular नहीं होगी.
वही obviously FOMO limited edition वो सब तो होता ही है. But that was the first step in terms of personalization. Flip से started it.
Interesting. अच्छा, अब ना हम इनकी social media campaigns की बात करेंगे. I came across a website which was telling about various social media campaigns. मैं एक तो यहाँ पर explain करती हूँ. Later, maybe you guys can go to this link and check. So, one of them was this Upstanders. Upstanders में क्या क्या था? Hashtag Upstanders. What they did, Starbucks announced a competition कि अगर आप किसी एनजीओ को सपोर्ट करना चाहते हो ना, तो एक स्टोरी बना के शेयर करो वीडियो फॉर्म में या किसी भी फॉर्म में, एंड दे गिव अ वेबसाइट जहां पे आपको उसको सबमिट करना है, और फर्स्ट 1000 एंट्रीज वुड विन सम मनी व्हिच विल गो टू देयर फेवरेट चैरिटी. So again here, caring for the people part was there. And one of the stories that I saw under Upstanders was, there was a lady, she used to so she associated very well with the charities that work for homeless children. ऐसा होता है ना कि कई बार मतलब children are homeless. So what she did, she created a video wherein, you know, जैसे ice bucket challenge था, आपको अपने ऊपर ठंडा पानी डालना था. इसमें क्या था, she took a bowl of marshmallows and she put in 12 marshmallows in her mouth, and that's how she challenged, and that's how she asked for that money raising thing for a particular organization. तो यहाँ पर ना they are able to, you know, get people participate in what they are doing, and ultimately over the years they have grown a very strong fan following. मतलब कुछ कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जो शुरू में करना मुश्किल होता है, बट ग्रेजुअली वंस यू हैव दैट कम्युनिटी ना, people automatically become loyal to you and they start participating in your things. For example, ये जो यहाँ पर picture देख रहे हैं आप लोग, ये ना they came up with a unicorn frappuccino. उसमें क्या था, it is not a coffee but it's a colorful drink, and again they came up with that limited edition strategy here. और फिर यहाँ पर उन्होंने उसको बोला कि सिर्फ इतने से इतने टाइम के लिए, एंड द फैंस व्हाट दे वुड डू, अगर उन्होंने वो लिमिटेड एडिशन वाली कॉफी लिया ना, तो उसका फोटो खींच के सोशल मीडिया पे दे वुड शेयर. So that is another thing that they employ. Then there was one this pumpkin spice latte. There was this red cup art. Red cup art में क्या किया था? Again, this is something like the Pepsi thing you are telling. रेड कप आर्ट में उन्होंने क्या किया, जैसे हर फेस्टिव सीजन में ड्यूरिंग द क्रिसमस टाइम्स दे कम अप विद रेड कप्स, जो उनके कप्स में जिसमें कॉफी मिलती है ना, तो रेड कप्स आते हैं उस टाइम पे. अब उनकी ना डिजाइनिंग के लिए दे केम अप विद द कंपटीशन, और कंपटीशन किया, फिर उसमें से जो 13 एंट्री सिलेक्ट हुई ना, एक्चुअली उन्हीं डिजाइन्स में उनके कप्स प्रिंट हुए थे एंड दे वर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड टू ऑल देयर आउटलेट्स एंड वर यूज्ड.
Nice.
So again, that's how they engage with the community. One of
That
the
actually, sorry,
बोलो.
that reminds me of Instagram actually. So I don't exactly know if it was started by Instagram, but Instagram has a logo जिसपे people were commenting कि थोड़ा सा अजीब सा logo type. तो एक trend start हो गया था, and around they got 25,000 user generated logos of Instagram.
Oh,
Wow.
People started giving their own logos.
Interesting. So this is like the trend now.
Exactly.
Yes.
Very nice. Then there are a few more, maybe you guys can read it. मतलब वो LGBT community को भी बहुत support करते हैं, and so this एक यहाँ पर hashtag is extra shot of pride. So wherein they requested people to share around stories around this, so that people, the other people who are special in these terms, they don't feel left out, and you know, they speak up for themselves. Yeah, they openly they are more open about such things.
Right.
So that's another interesting thing here. Now coming to the last part.
Marketing collaborations, nice.
हाँ, अब जब आप किसी के साथ कोलैबोरेट करते हो ना, जैसे कि हमने कहा कि हम उन ब्रांड से खरीदना ज्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं जहां देयर इज अ वैल्यू मैच. So for collaboration also the value match is really important. So I'll just take one example here of Spotify and Starbucks. Now Spotify is about, you know, paid music, something which is discouraging piracy. So ethics is one of the very core values of Starbucks. और वो यहाँ पर उसी ब्रांड से एसोसिएट कर रहे हैं जहां पर वो वैल्यू रिफ्लेक्ट हो रही है, और आपस में ये हाउ दे आर बेनिफिटिंग ईच अदर. So the music that is played in the Starbucks cafe is also one of the important thing that contributes to the in-store experience. So now this Spotify का एक stat था वहाँ पर, they have contributed to 25 billion hours of music across all these Starbucks outlets.
That's
तो
huge.
हाँ हाँ, और उसमें Spotify में ऐसा भी होता है ना कि जो बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलर म्यूजिशियंस नहीं भी है, बट यू नो बुटीक आर्टिस्ट जैसे लोग हैं, उनको भी दे गिव अपॉर्चुनिटी, मेक द म्यूजिक रीच टू यू नो मेनी पीपल. सो दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ थिंग अगेन वेयर स्टारबक्स कुड रिलेट विद इट. और फिर Spotify का ऐसा है कि स्टारबक्स के जितने भी एम्प्लॉइज हैं उनको उसका सब्सक्रिप्शन फ्री मिलता है, एंड दे कैन क्यूरेट देयर ओन म्यूजिक मिक्सेस फॉर द स्टोर्स एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. सो इस तरह से जब वो पार्टनरशिप भी कर रहे हैं या कोलैबोरेशन भी कर रहे हैं ना, सो that value element is very important when they're collaborating with any other branch, be it for the business purpose. So until there are more stories to share,
That collaboration reminded me of another story.
बोलिए ना.
So Ola and Ghana have collaborated. So Ghana, there is a category. So if there is Ola normal, I don't know the category, but there's a category where you can actually customize your song while you're traveling, and उसके थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज है, बट जनरली पीपल प्रेफर दोस फॉर लॉन्ग ड्राइव्स. तो उसमें आपको टैब मिल जाता है, यू कैन प्ले सॉन्ग अपने हिसाब से.
Oh, that's very interesting. Yeah, a great example of marketing collaboration again.
Yes.
Nice. So that's it, people.
एक वो था Amazon and sorry.
हाँ बोलो बोलो आराम से.
You are ending with some remark, right?
नहीं, I was telling this is all I had to present today.
सही था. अच्छा. First